Make a great choice today with the 2024 Lincoln Navigator. The Lincoln Navigator offers over 100 cubic feet of cargo space, 3 rows of seating for up to 8 passengers, and best-in-class legroom. This luxury SUV is powerfully persuasive. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, towing package, aluminum wheels, running boards, heated side mirrors, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, remote trunk release. Your new ride is just a phone call away.